Hello friends, my name is Sujata Satarkar. Today's date is 19 May 2022 and today's we have a topic is multi-threading. And multi-threading is the process to the executed multiple thread at the same time executed and without dependency on other thread is called as a multi-threading. And in the shell and the thread use the thread as the memory area, and the thread is the faster contact and searching and the thread, and is the blue highly weight is the where as the process and a highly weight thread. And for example, a word process can have a thread and a running, and foreground assign the editor saving and documents, and follow to the convert in Java, and two view classes and packages, and thread is the class, and is the runnable is the integer, and at the time uh, one browser with a game, second browser is a printer, third browser is a YouTube. At a time at a one time is a multiple task open, that's called as a multi-threading, and is a multitasking and multi-thread. And multitasking uses for example two wave at the one executed, and the task executed at the one time is the same, is a multiple process. And sub is the multi-thread, and executed is the dependency use, and is the JVM is the perform of the JVM through uses, and the process is the basically and CPU tasking, and is the subtasking, and the prefer uses the multitasking. And for example, multitasking and a deposit withdrawal and executed at a one single program and executed same time. But is the deposit is the executed is the deposit only, and second is a withdrawal, what execute get out the withdrawal amount, and is the check button is the only balance check, and is the executed is a multitasking program, and that's why. And multitasking is perform the multi-threading, and it is the multi perform the multi-thread, and the task is a single time, is the for example browser and word, and is the operating system and the CPU, and is the process of the executed, and video music time program used in the increasing the perform of the CPU and the time, and process the based multi-threading, and the thread based multitasking, and multi-processing, and multiprocessing when a uh, single connected is the multi-threading process, and it is the order the compatibility, and the VLC word and the system, and the CPU is the operating system, and with the complexity well, it is the best at the system as the operating system, and IIT compiler test method, and a body code to the insertion profile, and a multi-threading, and a executed multiple thread, and the sub process small scale, and the single time is software automation and game, that's why. And is a multi-threading is the best suitable at the programming language level, and Java provide the predefined API for the multi-threading and 20 to 20%, and thread is a runnable, and thread is the group of object, and a concurrent, and is the thread of the pool, and increasing the perform of the CPU, and the types of the process based multi-threading and the thread based uh, multi-threading. And executed, it is the operating system, it is the executed of the program. And the, is the is a JIT compiler is a fast method executed. And that's all about today's topic. Thank you.